everyone, Sandhya Govin from EQ Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. We have Mr. Raj Bhalala, sir, from Krivi Energy, Managing Director, and your warm welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Brief introduction about yourself and also about the company.
So, my name is Raj Bhalala. I'm the Managing Director of Krivi Energy Pvt Limited. Krivi Energy was formed in 2013. So, we have been in the industry since last 12 years. In last 12 years, we scaled up ourselves by trading solar cells and other solar components that is required to manufacture solar panels. It was more than a decade of our experience that went in that, and since last couple of years, we are also into EPC, and we have scaled up our EPC business to a good extent, and that's why we are getting into manufacturing as well.
Super. And why Krivi Energy venturing into the solar energy?
So that's what I said, that since we have scaled up our EPC business as well as the strength that we have of over a decade of dealing into all solar components, that's the reason we are getting into manufacturing.
And what defines Krivi Energy's manufacturing strength? The basic strength, if you want to say, then what it will be?
So basically, we are just it's the same question, but asked in a different way. So we have.
How you can differentiate Krivi Energy from others? There will be something, right?
Yeah, that's right. So our team strength is very good. We have a good experienced team, as well as technical side experience of over 12 years helps us to differentiate ourselves from the market. And also when it comes to products, we are manufacturing two products specifically designed in a way that can fill in the gap that is there in the market right now.
Super. And what are the products you are offering?
Yes, so we are trying to manufacture G12R. So that will cater all the mass megawatt scale projects, utility scale projects, and we are trying to manufacture DCR monoperk 156 half cut cell panel, so which will help create. I mean, currently there is a technical problem that many customers are facing in the market when it comes to DCR 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt systems that are being set up in residential PM Surya Ghar Yojana and everything, where they have a voltage drop, because of which the inverters get failed. So to make sure we solve that technical problem is where we have gotten the 156 cell half cut panel, which solves that technical problem and which will create that gap for our product in the market.
Wow, super, sir. And how does Krivi Energy stands out in EPC?
So in EPC, we have a very strong team since last 3 years. We have been working in EPC, and currently we are having 85 megawatt plus of orders being executed right now. And entire year we are targeting to have orders of more than 300 megawatts is what we are targeting right now, and that is why we are getting into manufacturing setup of more than 400 megawatts.
Super. And where is Krivi Energy headed?
So Krivi Energy is headed to scaling up a manufacturing facility to 1.6 gigawatts, and also to set up a 1.1 gigawatt solar cell line, which will come by 2027.
Great. And if you wanna share key elements to the people, to the solar industry, then what it will be? Like few key points, something if you wanna share.
So key points about the market is that you need to have a very good, strong distribution team to penetrate the market, and also you need to open up international markets also for your products. So with that, you can build up your business very strongly.
Great, sir. Thanks a lot and all the best for the future endeavors.